Today in this video, we're going to register Airbnb step by step. First, click on the three dots, then tap on Login, Sign Up. Here you'll see the country option. You can choose any country where you want to register the number. To get a number, go to the Trust OTP website. After opening the website, first select your country. You'll see many countries listed there. You can choose any of them. For example, I'll select the United States. Now go to the search bar, type the service name, and select Airbnb. Then click on Get Code. As soon as you click Get Code, a number will be provided instantly. As you can see, we have received the number. Now copy this number, go back to Airbnb, choose the same country as the number you selected, paste the number, and click Continue. After clicking Continue, you will be asked for a verification code. You don't need to go anywhere else. Simply return to the website and wait, where it says Waiting SMS. Your code will appear there. As you can see, the SMS has arrived. Copy this code and enter it into Airbnb to complete the verification. Once I enter this code, the service will be verified. On the next page, enter your name and other required details. Fill in whatever information is requested. After completing everything, you can easily use your account. As you can see, we have successfully registered Airbnb in a very simple way. Using this website, you can register any service easily. If you have any questions, ask in the comment section. I will pin the Telegram community and website link in the comments. If you'd like to join, you're most welcome. Thank you.